Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an E46 M3 door panel. First, gather your tools, including a plastic trim removal kit and a Torx T20 screwdriver. It's crucial to disconnect your car's battery before you begin to ensure safety, especially with airbag components present. Also, be prepared with some new door panel clips, as the old ones can be brittle and may break during the process. This preparation will make the job much smoother. Next, we'll tackle the trim pieces. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry off the long decorative trim strip, starting from one end and working your way across. Once that's off, remove the mirror switch or its blank cover, then carefully disconnect any electrical connectors behind it. Now, locate the 5 Torx T20 screws. 2 are usually under the armrest, 2 behind the door handle, and 1 near the airbag emblem. Remove all of these screws. With the screws removed, it's time to detach the panel itself. Starting from the bottom corner, use your plastic trim tool to gently pry the door panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips along the bottom and sides. Once these clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight up to unhook it from the window seal at the top. Finally, pull the panel back slightly to access the door handle cable and any remaining electrical connectors for speakers or other components. Then disconnect them. Before reinstallation, take a moment to inspect both the door panel and the door frame for any broken clips or other damage. It's a good idea to replace any broken clips now to ensure your panel fits snugly and prevents rattles. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal. Reconnect all electrical components, reattach the door handle cable, align the top edge with the window seal, and then press the clips back into place. Don't forget to reinstall all 5 Torx T20 screws and the trim pieces. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.